So just showing you guys my camera setup for this video. I'll be using two cameras to film, so let's see how this works out. I've never filmed a video like this before, like in the shower, so wish me luck. Okay, so I'm ready to head in. I have my camera watch here in my hand so I can see what exactly both cameras are showing. So Lego. Today I'll be washing my hair with Crochet Braids in. I'll be using the OGX Argan Oil off Morocco Shampoo. I'll start off by getting my hair and my scalp wet. You want to try to focus the water more on your hair and your scalp than on the crochet braids, even though there is no way for you to not get the crochet braids wet. Also, try not to drown yourself like I almost did in that clip. So I'm gonna start off by washing my edges. I'm gently applying the soap to my edges just so I don't make the front of my cornrows more messy than they already are. When it comes on to the cornrows, I separate the crochet braids and apply the shampoo in between each cornrow because it would be hard to squeeze the shampoo into your hand and then get the shampoo to go in between each cornrow without wasting it. When it comes on to washing your hair, you want to ensure that your nails are properly filed because your hair can get snagged between your nails and you don't want that because that causes breakage. So make sure your nails are nice and filed, or you can wear gloves. When it comes on to washing the front of your head, you want to take your time and carefully run your fingers through your edges and through the start of the braids. As you can see, I have a whole lot of new growth, so I don't want my cornrows to get any more messy than they currently are. So I'm just working my fingers through each of the parts just so I can ensure that my scalp is thoroughly washed. It's important to rub your fingers between each of the cornrows just so you can wash your scalp properly, because the aim of washing your hair is to get your hair clean. So yeah, I'm gonna proceed to wash everything out. In this section you can see the back of my head. I am rubbing my hair towards the cornrow just so that cornrow doesn't get any more messy, and I'm rubbing my fingers through each of the cornrows. Now that my scalp is clean, I am running the water through the length of the crochet braids so that any soap that might be in them can be washed out. Now that I'm done, I'm going to use a towel to dry the excess water from the crochet braids so I don't make a mess when coming out of the shower. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and catch my hair up. Like, am I the only one who flicks my head over like that when catching my hair up? Anyways, catch my hair up and wrap a towel around my hair just so the water doesn't drip all over my face, and that's it. Okay, so now that my hair is nice and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and use this towel to dry the braids, and I'm gonna use an old t-shirt just to dry my hair, just to prevent any breakage that might want to occur, you know? None of that. We don't want none of that. So dry the braids with the towel, dry my hair with the t-shirt, and after I've removed a lot of the moisture from my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize it and oil it up, and yeah, that's it. So it's a pretty straightforward process when it comes on to washing your hair while wearing crochet braids. It isn't hard, but it you don't get to wash your hair as thoroughly as you would, but really what you're doing is washing your scalp. So yeah, so the aim is to wash your scalp as thoroughly as you can, and I tried to do that just now. I will be taking these out in about 2 weeks, so I should be good. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Bye.